Now, if you have thought about gardening in wicking tubs, but you just can't stand the colors that the wicking tub typically comes in, most of them that I use and that I see around me come in what I call beautiful hillbilly blue. If you don't like hillbilly blue, and who does, then there are options. This tub had a fruit tree in it, had a satsuma orange in it, and I painted this tub with just a forest green Krylon, if I remember right. I didn't do any prep work on it. Didn't do any. Should have wiped it down maybe with some naphtha or some paint thinner or something. I didn't do any of that, and painted it with a spray can forest green. Now the forest green has migrated to a lighter green. It has faded quite a bit, but the paint itself is not in bad shape. There are places where it's scratched up, where I've put it in the front end loader to bring the tree in the barn and things like that, where I maybe got too close to it with the lawnmower and rubbed it. So, you can scrape the paint off of it, but by and large, it still looks pretty decent, and it's been about 3 years. So that's what they look like after they're painted. This side looks really good. So the other side is the side that was scraped by probably mowing. And again, got some scrape marks there. But if you want to paint your wicking tubs, there is hope for you. It does pretty good. It may last as long as a wicking tub lasts, and it may protect the wicking tub to a certain extent from the UV rays and when they start getting brittle and stuff. Don't know about that, but I do know that painting one is an option. All right, we're gone.